B.Ed programs of Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University. He is also a member of various boards and committees constituted by different universities and colleges. Welcome you, sir. I take the privilege to invite Dr. Bhuvanalata, Professor and Campus Director, Training Department of Sri Vijay Vidyalaya Group of Educational Institutions, Dharmapuri. She is also an advisor, DNC Manivanan Group of Educational Colleges. She has a rich experience in teaching as well as in the administration of teacher education. Welcome you, ma'am. We have Mr. Siva, Tamil teacher with a good 29 years of experience in the field of education. He is a teacher, trainer, known for his speaking out of a conventional framework. He is known for his Kalakala Vaguparai. My hearty welcome to you, sir. He approached sir with the concerns and issues in the teacher education. I request sir to give us a broader viewpoint of what is happening in the teacher education department.
Very good morning. I thank Tansky and the Vice Chairman and this team for providing this opportunity to me for discussing panel discussion about the issues on teacher education. Actually, our teacher education system in Tamil Nadu is having a history of way back from 1856. It's about the and cultural heritage we have on bringing up our school teachers. The very first institute in Chennai was established in 1856 is Institute of Advanced Studies in Education, Hyderabad. Earlier it was called the Teachers College. From there, we have plenty of teacher education dialogues, discourses for past 150 years. Very significantly, the national education policies, 1968 policies, 86 policies, even most recent one also, insisting, emphasizing this quality of teachers every time. We know that without teachers, nothing happened in the classrooms. The teachers' roles no need to further emphasize on the role of teachers and the importance of teacher training and pedagogical innovations and all. As policy perspectives, they are signed from the university, exclusively established for teacher education in the year 2008. Previously, it was there are many universities are directly affiliating the self-finance colleges and government colleges. As we know that there are 600 plus private self-finance teacher education colleges. Out of 642, only 7 government and 14 aided colleges. These 7 and 14 aided colleges are established in 1950s, 60s only. After 1968, there was no self-finance, there were no government aided college was established. We know that in the year 2004-5 onwards, the last 20 years of this last two decades, the highest rate of proliferation growth of teacher education institutions, the self-finance teacher education institutions have established in the year 2004 onwards. So last 20 years, we are facing the quality concerns. It's not only the Tamil Nadu situations, it's all over India. This was situation. The NCT, National Council for Teacher Education, is affiliating, recognizing about 9,000 teacher education institutions. 90% of the institutions is private institutions. When the quality concerns was raised in early 2000s, there was a committee called the Justice Verma Commission. The Justice Verma Commission, serious by the order of Supreme Court, they were seriously taken the study throughout India and have recommended the transformation of teacher education from 1-year program to 2-year program. In teacher education, it's definitely include the early childhood care and education, secondary education, the B.Ed and MTV programs, and also the research programs of teacher education. For our consideration, the major stakeholder of secondary teacher education program, B.Ed programs, the colleges offering B.Ed degree only have taken very seriously in our country. So, Justice Verma Commission in the year 2012 was suggested to establish, to create, transfer the 1-year program to 2-year program for quality reasons only. Thereafter, we are facing 10 years have passed out. these 10 years also the Justice Verma, what the Justice Verma committee has expected is not fulfilled actually in reality. In ground reality, the 1 year program to 2 year program, only the year is increased. The quality concern still is a questionable one. So if with this preliminary inputs, I will move to further questions.
And that is a trace of the history of what's been happening in the teacher education field for a long time. And like Sir said, even after a decade, though they have changed the duration, the quality, what was the main concern, what was the main reason behind that was we aren't able to achieve that. What is your input, sir?
Actually, I was on the committee of Justice Verma for the assessment.
The right person did.
At that time, we thank you for the opportunity for being here, Mr. Vice Chairman of Council, and all of you also for that discussion in the last few days. I think that to start from the Justice Verma committee, I was on a committee where we had to assess how to assess teacher education institutions, and we made a lot of quality parameters